Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. I'm just working on mixing a new track for my new album, release date in the future. So I need some help picking out the track that you like the best, because I did run it through 3 different compressors. So what I did was I recorded a track in from my modular rig into my DAW. So I have a multi-track that I have already EQ'd box, and I sent it out through the Apollo X16 into the Rupert Neve Designs summing mixer and into one of 3 compressors. So each track has a different compressor on it. The first track you'll hear is the Manley NuMu. The second track you'll hear has the Chandler Limited Zener Limiter on it. And then the third track has the Dangerous compressor. Each compressor runs into the Manley Massive Passive, and the summing mixer and the Massive Passive both have the exact same settings for each track. And the compressors, the settings are matched as best that we could. So the threshold, the gain, and the attack and release are matched on each of them as close as we could get them. So what I would love for you to do is help me pick out the one that sounds the best. So I'm going to play each of them. The first track you'll hear is the NuMu. The second one you'll hear is the Dangerous, or the Zener. And the third one you'll hear is the Dangerous. So which one did you like the best? I would love for you to tell me.